We're out here, y'all, in the middle of a thunderstorm, trying to find Moby. Rain, sleet, or snow, gotta go.
You know it.
Can't catch him sitting on the couch.
Nope. Now, I don't want to catch him on a video game. I want to catch him in real life. So, that's why we hook for life. We out here on them. Doing our thing. You know. That's what we do. That's what we love to do.
Hooked for life, baby.
All right, y'all. Flathead Queen got one. What? It's facing us. There's a little daddy. We'll take him.
Nice little channel. Yep, this channel. Black Mamba strikes again. Each and every time.
Well, that black mama got him. Look where he got him at the top of that dome.
Ooh, wait.
He went
got
for
the
it
big
though.
hook. Yes, he did.
He went for it. But hey, he paid the price. It's all right. We're gonna get that out of him and
Probably gonna let him go.
yeah, let him go, let him grow.
Let him go, let him grow.
Yeah.
In the middle of the storm, we out here, y'all.
Yeah. They bite in the rain, y'all.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Be back.
You ready? Right on. Let him go, let him grow, y'all. Next time we catch him, might be 5 pounds.
All right, he's gone, y'all. You got him, babe?
Yeah.
All right. Lip ring, man. On him again. Fish number 2 in the middle of the storm. Right off the bank.
He's going right
Go
back.
for that shad.
He's going right back out there.
Mm-hmm.
You just use that for a little intro or something. That's burn it. I really couldn't get the good hook set in either because dang. Felt like a nice one. When fishing with crappie, you catch catfish too. Here's a little daddy. Yeah. They hungry. Everything eating. Little ones, big ones. You could eat it too. If you eat them, boy, he'd be a nice one. Let me see. The only problem is,
Oh, he got your line and mine.
oh,
He's twisted all up in lines.
yeah, he is. See, I was looking for my barber. This is gonna be a hot mess. Let's see.
Them thin lines.
I'm trying to